What if the universe isn't what it seems? What if everything you've ever experienced, your thoughts, emotions, even your destiny exists as part of a vast cosmic projection? And what if astrology is the key to decoding this holographic reality? What if astrology isn't just about predicting your future, but is actually a language, a fractal blueprint that reveals the hidden structure of the cosmos? Today, we're going to explore how astrology and the holographic universe theory are more connected than you might think. The holographic universe explained. The holographic universe theory suggests that our reality is not physical. It's a projection of encoded information. Think of it like a hologram. No matter how close or far you get, the whole image is contained within every part. This idea was first proposed by physicist David Bohm and neuroscientist Carl Pribram, who theorized that time, space, and even consciousness are not as fixed as we think. They're part of a deeper, interconnected field. Interestingly, ancient wisdom from many traditions already describe this interconnectedness. Maya and Hinduism, the Akashic records, and the concept of the matrix all point to a universal field where everything is encoded. Quantum mechanics in astrology, a superposition, infinite possibilities in astrology. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed. This idea is called superposition. But what does that have to do with astrology? Your natal chart isn't just a fixed prediction of your life. It contains an infinite number of potential life paths, and what actually manifests depends on your awareness and choices. Just like in quantum physics, the future isn't determined until it's observed. B entanglement, why planets and humans are connected. Now, let's talk about quantum entanglement. This is when two particles, no matter how far apart, remain instantaneously connected. What if this is the key to understanding how astrology works? The planets and stars don't need to physically affect us. They are already encoded in the same interconnected field that makes up everything, including you. C. The observer effect, how your awareness alters reality. In quantum mechanics, the observer effect tells us that just by observing something, we change its behavior. So, how does this apply to astrology? When you study your astrological chart, you're not just learning about your destiny. You're collapsing potential timelines, activating the ones that align with your highest purpose. Your awareness of your transits and planetary influences actually shapes your reality. Sacred geometry and astrology, the language of the hologram. Now, let's take this a step further. Sacred geometry. This is the language of the universe, found in everything from atoms to galaxies, and even the planets themselves. In astrology, we see these patterns in the aspects between planets, angles, and alignments that mirror the geometric structure of the hologram itself. These planetary cycles and alignments may not just be random events. They could be mathematical signatures embedded in the very fabric of reality, part of the cosmic holographic field. How to look up your birth chart. Now that we've explored the cosmic hologram, you might be wondering, how do I find my personal holographic code? How do I look up my birth chart and start decoding my own reality? It's actually simpler than you might think. To calculate your birth chart, you'll need 3 key pieces of information: your birth date, day, month, year, exact time of birth down to the minute, if possible, place of birth, city, country. Once you have these details, you can use online astrology tools to generate your birth chart. There are several free websites and apps like Astro.com, Cafe Astrology, or AstroSeek, where you can plug in your information and get a detailed chart showing the positions of the planets at the moment of your birth. Your chart will display the positions of the sun, moon, and planets, along with the rising sign and the aspects between them. This is the cosmic map of your life's potential. The chart gives insight into your purpose, strengths, challenges, and your place in the cosmic hologram. How to use your chart to unlock potential. Once you have your chart, start by looking at your sun sign, your moon sign, and your rising sign, also called the ascendant. These 3 key points give you a foundational understanding of your core identity, emotions, and the energy you project into the world. From there, dive into the planetary aspects and houses to understand the deeper patterns in your life. Are certain planets in harmonious or challenging aspects? What does your North Node say about your soul's purpose? These clues are all encoded in the holographic fabric of your existence, and by becoming aware of them, you begin to consciously navigate your timeline. Conclusion: reality is a cosmic code. The universe is not what it seems. It is a projection, a hologram, and astrology is not just a belief system, it's a reflection of the cosmic code that governs this projection. By understanding it, you begin to unlock the mysteries of your own consciousness and your place within the universe. The holographic universe is your playground. Your astrology chart is the key. The question is, are you ready to decode it? Call to action. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cosmic insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with astrology and the holographic universe? Let's dive deep together.